Grammar test on prepositions part 1. There are 25 questions in this test. Check your knowledge of grammar and tell us your score in the comment box. Best of luck. Mr. Das is dash the committee. Option A in, option B at, option C on, option D with. The right answer is on. She will visit Darjeeling dash Christmas. Option A on, option B in, option C at, option D to. The right answer is at. Don't run dash the road. Option A on, option B along, option C into, option D across. The right answer is across. The boy ran dash the house. Option A in, option B on, option C onto, option D into. The right answer is into. The train is due dash 5 p.m. Option A at, option B in, option C on, option D with. The right answer is at. The cultural function is due dash January. Option A on, option B in, option C at, option D along. The right answer is in. London is dash the Thames. Option A in, option B at, option C on, option D onto. The right answer is on. They have arrived dash Bolpur. Option A in, option B at, option C for, option D to. The right answer is at. They arrived dash Kolkata. Option A in, option B at, option C for, option D to. The right answer is in. The plane flew dash the clouds. Option A on, option B above, option C over, option D onto. The right answer is above. She will arrive dash an hour. Option A on, option B in, option C at, option D along. The right answer is in. I shall meet you dash the weekend. Option A in, option B on, option C at, option D along. The right answer is at. We returned home dash the evening of January 15. Option A on, option B in, option C at, option D during. The right answer is on. They will come back dash a few minutes. Option A at, option B during, option C in, option D on. The right answer is in. Dash the last few days. We visited many places. Option A on, option B in, option C at, option D over. The right answer is over. Flour is made dash when. Option A of, option B with, option C from, option D into. The right answer is from. This dress is made dash silk. Option A of, option B from, option C with, option D into. The right answer is of. Rice sells dash 50 rupees a kilo. Option A for, option B with, option C at, option D in. The right answer is at. She was groaning a pen. Option A with, option B at, option C for, option D in. The right answer is in. He died dash overwork. Option A, by. Option B, of. Option C, from. Option D, with. The right answer is from. She died dash fever. Option A, for. Option B, of. Option C, with. Option D, by. The right answer is of. He lives dash coaching. Option A, on. Option B, in. Option C, by. Option D, with. The right answer is by. The food is rich dash vitamins. Option A, on. Option B, with. Option C, at. Option D, in. The right answer is in. He burst dash a wild laughter last night. Option A, in. Option B, with. Option C, into. Option D, for. The right answer is into. This bridge is named dash Rabindranath Tagore. Option A, on. Option B, in. Option C, after. Option D, over. The right answer is after. Please like, comment and share. Please subscribe to our channel English Grammar Usage for more such videos. Thank you.